Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is of class 9 for the subject of mathematics. Topic are properties of a circle and is being submitted to you on 5th July 2021. Now, children, in today's lesson, we will learn about few properties of arc. Now, children, let us understand what is an arc. Now, children, you can see that this is your circle. Any continuous part of the circle is known as arc. Now, children, this is your arc. Now, I'm marking it. This is your arc. Now, let's name it. If I write this as your O, this is your P, and this is your Q. So, which part is your arc? This is your arc PQ. As this is a very less part, so we call as minor arc. This is your minor arc. And if you go from Q to P, then that is your major arc. Okay, children? So if you write PQ, arc PQ, or you can write this as PQ with a sign of arc. Fine, this is your minor arc. And the other one, if I read it from Q to P, upper one, it's Q to P, or you can write it QP with a sign of arc. Then it's become major arc. Now, children, there is one more way to name it. Suppose you have, let's take another circle. You have O, A, B. Fine, if I write this as P, then also you can write this as A, P, B. This is also going to represent an arc. APB is your minor arc. And if you read it from the top, if I write something else here, Q, then your PQA is going to represent your major arc. Okay, children? I guess you are clear with what is minor arc and major arc. Now let's move on to our another topic, that is your properties. Okay, children? Now let us discuss the very first property. Now, children, you can see that these two circles are equal. Okay, so if it is given that two arcs are equal, so suppose if arc PQ is equal to arc AB, then these two arcs are going to subtend equal angle at the center. So these two angles are equal. So children, this implies you can say that angle POQ is equal to angle AO dash B. Okay, so what is your first property? Equal arcs subtend equal angle at the center. Is it clear, children? Your equal arcs subtend equal angles at the center. So it means your angle POQ is equal to angle AO dash B. The second property is the converse of the above property. Now, children, in this, two if two arcs are equal, then it subtend equal angle at the center. This is the first property. Now, second one is if there are two angles equal at the center, then the arcs are also equal. What is the property? If the angles are equal, that is, if angle POQ is equal to angle AO dash B, then it is going to be that your arcs are equal. So children, you can say that PQ arc is equal to arc AB. And children, we are just talking about the equal circles. Equal circle means whose radii are equal. Now, children, let's move on to the third property. Now, children, if two equal circles and the chords are also equal, then it is going to cut the equal arcs. I repeat, in equal circles, if two chords are equal, so it means your chord PQ is equal to chord AB. If two chords are equal, then it is going to cut equal arcs. It means this implies your arc PQ is equal to arc AB. Is it clear, children? Let me repeat one more time. What is this property? Now, children, if two circles are equal or in a same circle, if the chords are equal, like chord PQ is equal to chord AB, then this means it is going to cut off equal arcs. It means arc PQ is equal to arc AB. Is it clear, children? Similarly, we have fourth property, that is the converse of the above property, that if in an equal circle, the arcs are equal. Suppose if we take the same two circles, if in a question it's given two arcs are equal, like arc PQ is equal to arc AB, then children, you can say that their chords are also equal. So you can say that chord PQ is equal to chord AB. I hope, children, you are clear with the properties of arc. Now, children, let us discuss these property in one circle only. Now, children, let's see the very first one. Now, in this one, you have a circle and we have, let's name it, you have A, B, O, C, D. Suppose, children, in the question it is given that your angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Okay, so according to the property, if the angles subtended at the center are equal, then their corresponding arcs are also equal. So children, from this figure, you can see that if these two angles are equal, then it is going to subtend, then the arcs are equal. So this implies you can say that AB, arc AB is equal to arc CD. Okay, now let's have a look on the second one. Now, children, let's name it. It's P O dash Q, and here it is U V. Now, children, it's given that your arc PQ is equal to arc UV. Okay, so now according to the theorem, according to the property that if two arcs are equal, then the angles subtended by the arcs are also equal. So children, from this you can say that this angle, that is angle PO dash Q, will be equal to angle UO dash V. Okay, because equal arcs subtended equal angles at the center. I hope, children, you are clear with this. Now let's move on to our third one. Now, children, here, let's name it. I have given you two chords, your chord AB and CD. Now, children, if it is given in a circle, two chords are equal. Suppose AB is equal to CD. It's given two chords of the circle are equal. So if chords are equal, then it will cut off the same arc. So children, equal arc. So it means arc AB is equal to arc CD. So in a circle, if two chords are equal, then it is going to cut off equal arcs. So arc AB is equal to arc CD. Is it clear, children? Now let's do the converse. What is the converse? If you have two chords, that is XY and PQ, and it is given that in a given circle, two arcs are equal. Let's see, arc PQ is equal to arc XY. Okay, so according to the converse, if the arcs are equal, then your chords made by that will be equal. So you can say that equal arcs, then the chords are also equal. So you can say that chord PQ is equal to chord XY. Is it clear, children? So these are the properties which you have to learn. Now, children, let's discuss a very important property of arc. Now, children, can you see here an arc BC? Now look at arc BC. Now, can you tell me the name of the angle subtended at the center? Yes, you're right. It is angle BOC. This is the angle subtended at the center. Okay, children? And now can you tell me the name of the angle subtended by this arc at the circumference? Yes, this is your angle subtended at the circumference. So now children, what is the name? That is BAC. This is the angle subtended by this arc at the circumference. Okay, children. So now this is a very important property that angle subtended at the center is always double the angle subtended at the circumference by the same arc. Okay, so children, what is the property? Here you can say that angle BOC is equal to double of angle BAC. Okay, I repeat, angle subtended at the center is always double the angle subtended at the circumference. Is it clear, children? Let me give you a very easy example here. So, children, suppose in a question it is given that this angle, the angle subtended by arc BC is 90 degree, not okay, so it's 90 degree or 40 degree. Fine, it is around 40 degree. Then can you tell me, sorry, not at the center, I'm saying it is at the circumference. Let me erase it. Suppose the angle subtended at the circumference by the arc is 40 degree. Can you tell me what will be the angle subtended by the arc at the center? Yes, you are right. It is 80 degree. But how? How it is possible? Because children, I told you angle BOC is double the angle at the circumference. So angle BAC is given 40 degree. So it will be 80 degrees. So children, the angle subtended at the center by BC, arc BC is 80 degree. Is it clear, children? I guess this is very easy. Let me give you one more example. Now, can you tell me, children, if angle BOC is double, then can you, what will be angle BAC? Yes, you are right. It is half. So you can say that angle BAC will be half of angle subtended at the center. Okay, children. So now let's take out. Suppose it is given that your angle subtended at the center is 70 degree. And children, can you find angle subtended at the circumference by the given arc? Yes, you are right, because it will be half of that. So it will be half times 70 degree, that is 35 degree. So you can say that the angle subtended at the circumference is 35 degree. So children, learn all the properties of arc and then only try the questions of the exercise 14. Okay, children? Thank you, students.